All right, let's talk about how you do a product replacement. This is a super important thing that you will need to know here and there. So if you go to Mary Kay and Touch homepage, you go over here to the ordering tab. You're gonna drop down to, where is it? Further down, there we go. Okay, product replacement, and just click right on it like that. Once it comes up, you're going to accept the terms. And then here's where, if you're gonna have it sent to you, just leave it. If you need to send it directly to a customer, you can go here and you can change it to a different address. And then you can put their info and look at all these people that I've sent to over the years, over 13 years. So you just add a new address, or you can choose one if you're sending it to someone you have before. I'm gonna cancel because I'm just gonna carry on with my address. So if it's coming to you, then you're gonna hit next. You're gonna put in the customer's name and info, and it's probably not gonna let me do it if I don't put something in. We'll see if this works. Nope, it's picky. Okay, 434. My one-handed typing here is an adventure. Okay, add. Okay, so you've got your customer entered. If you have multiple customers who return stuff, you just put them all in. You can edit it if you make a mistake. And then you hit next. And then here's where you're gonna put in what they returned. So let's say brow tint. The price on that, I think it's 15. You would double check it if you were actually sending this in. Part number. Now, there's different ways to find part numbers. If you have the product box, you can see it on here, 149211. If you don't have the product box, then what you're gonna do is in a different browser. Don't do this when you're in the middle of the product replacement in the same, like I'm in Chrome here. So I'm in Chrome. I would go to say Safari or Firefox, and you can log into Mary Kay and Touch on a different browser. It won't mess up what you're doing here. So you do have to use a different web browser. And you can go to the marykayandtouch.com, and here, I'm just gonna show you. I'm already got a page open. Oh, okay. If you go here and you go to where you're creating a new cosmetic order, you can then pull up, let's see, brow tint. Volumizing brow tint. All right, now here's the product number. So you can get the product number for any product. Copy. Now I'm gonna go back to my product replacement and I'm going to paste the product number in. Yay! Quantity, however many. Day code. Day code is actually printed on the bottle or the tube. With the brow tint, it would be on the bottom of it. I'm trying to get this open. Again, one-handed. And it is on this one too, so. Oh no, it's not. That's the product number. The expiration is what oh, there it is. Okay, do you see that right there? The plastic printing right there? That is the day code. So it's very tricky to find. It's always kind of a printed, like a plasticky, sometimes it's up along here. Sometimes it's printed on the bottom. It's 2 or 4 letters and numbers. So this is BH24. 23? Yeah, BH23. So we're just gonna put that in for the sake of doing it, what date it was returned. I'm just gonna pick something here for the sake of example. Select reason. So let's say we didn't like the shade. Okay, you can do that. Add. Okay, you can put as many products in as you need for all the different reasons. Just kind of look around till you find the most honest answer. And then here's where you pick out what you want to be replaced. So sometimes you just need the same thing in a different shade. Sometimes you want, or sometimes you have the product the person needs, so you just want to get something else sent to you. You have $30 in this case to work with. So all you're going to do is go, I still go back to this page where it's like I'm placing an order, and I'll look through and find what I want. So let's say I just need a different shade. I'd say I don't want the dark brunette, I just want brunette. Then I'm gonna take this product number, copy it, gonna go back to my product replacement. I'm gonna paste it in, put the quantity, add. And now it's got 2 of those. Okay, I had the price wrong there, 14. So you obviously want to make sure it's right, but all you have to make sure is that these numbers match within $2. As long as these numbers match within $2, they don't care what you want. They'll send it to you. It's fine. Next. And now you see all of this information, and you would just submit it. Obviously, I'm not going to, but that's what you would do. So hopefully that is helpful for how to do a product replacement.